Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to download Spider-Man on PC or laptop. Alright, so let's begin with the video. For the first step is you want to go ahead and open up any browser. Then you want to simply click on the search bar and you want to type out Steam. Then you want to go ahead and you typed out Steam. All you now want to simply do is click on the first link. Once you go ahead and you click on the first link, all you want to do is you want to simply click on Install Steam. Then once you go ahead and you click on Install Steam, you want to simply click on this blue button just here, which will be Install Steam, and it will simply download Steam. Then once you go ahead and you install your Steam, open it up. So make sure that you click on the search bar. Then you want to type out Spider-Man. Then you want to click on Spider-Man Miles Morales. Now as you can see, this is the game. So what you want to now do is you just want to scroll a bit down. Then you want to click on Add to Cart. And then you want to simply click on View My Cart. Then you want to click on Continue to Payment. Now, enter your details, and this will make a way you will be able to purchase the game. So once you purchase the game, you will find the game in your library, and also you will find it in the download section. We will download and install. So that's basically how you can download Spider-Man on PC or laptop. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.